Hey guys, today I got a Fidget Cube. It's been a while since it's came. It's been like a week and 500 days. Over a week. So, today we have it. Fidget Cube. So, here it is, the box. Cool design on all around it. So, Fidget Cube. High quality desk toy designed to help you focus. Fidget Cube, work class home. There's click, spin, flip, glide, and roll and breathe. So, let's open it. Yes, I got it on the right side. Oh, I ripped the box. Ow. Here it is. It's really heavy. I thought it would be like more light. So, So first, on the box, click. So here's click. It's like a die. And so 3 of them click. Click, click, click. Don't click, don't click. Okay, that's it for that one. It's really cool. It's bumpy. Next one is spin. It's just like turning the wheel of a car, basically. Next is flip. It's basically an on-off switch. Really loud. Next, glide. Oh, this is like a remote thing on a controller. Next is roll. You have that, rolling, 3 rolling thingies, and a ball that rolls. You have like little bumps on this too. Next, last one is breathe. Like to help you stay focused right here. Can't really see it. Here it is. Like put your thumb on it, any finger really. This feels soft, really. Well, bye guys. This is the Fidget Cube. Hope you liked it.